Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of home phone services, specifically a company called Ooma. Now, Ooma offers some pretty cool features: crystal clear call quality, international dialing options, and all that jazz. But let's be honest, sometimes things don't work out, and you might find yourself wanting to ditch a service. That's why today's question is, can I cancel Ooma at any time? The short answer? Yes, you can cancel Ooma at any time. But as with most things in life, there's a bit more to the story. So, buckle up and get ready to banish any Ooma-related anxieties you might have. First things first, let's talk about contracts. Unlike some cable companies that love to lock you into lengthy agreements, Ooma doesn't have traditional contracts. This means you have more freedom when it comes to canceling, a big plus in our book. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Ooma works with prepaid service plans. These plans typically range from a month to a year, and you prepay for the chosen duration. So, while you can cancel anytime, you might not get a refund for the remaining service period on your prepaid plan. Think of it like this: you buy a movie ticket for a specific date and time. You can technically ditch the movie halfway through, but you're not getting your money back. Here's the good news. If you decide to cancel midway through your prepaid period, Ooma will gladly stop billing you after the cancellation date. You won't be able to use the service anymore, but at least you won't be charged for something you're not using. Alright, so canceling sounds straightforward enough. But how do you actually do it? Ooma offers a couple of ways to sever ties. You can head over to their website and log in to your account. Once you're in, there should be a section dedicated to managing your account. Look for something like Settings or My Account. From there, you should be able to find a cancellation option. If navigating websites isn't your thing, you can also cancel by giving Ooma's customer service a friendly call. While calling might take a bit longer, it can be helpful if you have any questions or concerns about the cancellation process. Now, let's address a common worry. Are there any early termination fees with Ooma? Thankfully, the answer is no. You won't be slapped with any extra charges for canceling before your prepaid plan runs out. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you decide to cancel your Ooma service, make sure you keep a copy of the confirmation email or any documentation you receive after canceling. This will come in handy if there are any billing issues down the line. So, there you have it. You can cancel Ooma at any time, with no contracts or hidden fees to worry about. Just remember, you won't get a refund for the unused portion of your prepaid plan. We hope this video sheds some light on Ooma's cancellation policy. If you have any other questions about Ooma or home phone services in general, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.